Good afternoon. This is Chris Curtis from Windermere Bay Area Properties, and I just wanted to bring to your attention my latest listing at 3905 Clayton Road, unit number 38. Why don't we go ahead and take a look? Okay, so as you can see here, we did a recent full paint job as well as changed out the carpet, updated the doors, all the hardware. This is the galley kitchen. It's a brand new refrigerator, brand new stove. Vent hood has been there for some time. Dishwasher's been there for some time, but they've got granite counters, nice white cabinets, nickel plated pulls, new light fixture. And this is your view. You're looking out of the unit. Let's go ahead and take a look around. This is the half bath downstairs, what we call serviceable. It's got the nice chrome Hollywood light. Nice toilet. You've got laminate flooring. Again, brand new carpet. Nice little dining area with the laminate flooring. And then again, new carpet. And the living room. Just the wall AC unit. New patio door. The old one had some issues on the outside of the property, and there was some damages that were repaired. But let's take a quick peek at the outside. Yeah, this is the little patio. Kind of cool, right? You got a lock, security gate. Your parking space is the one that's directly over the fence, right in the corner of that carport, space number 38. Got a nice little jade plant. Again, a little nice space for barbecues and whatnot. And then you kind of look around. Try not to go too quickly. That's where your furnace closet is, and then you've got the downstairs hall closet. It's got some additional storage. Open that door here real quick. That carpet was replaced as well. Nice little area for things. You just got to put up a rack in order to hang your coats and that kind of thing. This closet here was actually converted previously to be more of a a pantry space. I'll take a look at that. Okay, and now we're going to check out the upstairs. Again, all new carpet, painted from top to bottom. As you go upstairs, you can kind of notice that we've got the original metal handrails. There's a new door there, new hardware, new light fixture in the ceiling. This is the first bedroom, or I would call it the back bedroom. Nice large closet, 3-panel movable closet doors, and it's got, triple wide closet, I guess is the best way to say that. Again, a 6-panel new door, new carpet, original window, new blind. Fully remodeled bathroom actually too. So in this particular case, the tile is the only thing that really remained in this home. At the time we replaced the vanity, the mirror, the whole bathroom shower enclosure. You can tell that it's got kind of that newer version of the shelf in it. Let me see if I can open the door and show you guys what I'm talking about. You can see that. New fixtures, new glass doors, new handles, new. Vanity, mirror, again, similar light fixture and light. Another 6-panel door. Another 6-panel door. This is the back bedroom. Technically towards the front door of the unit. Again, all new carpet. It does have a small little walk-in closet. Let's see if we can turn that light on. Let's go check that out. New rack. Again, new shade. Kind of pan slower and you can see the bedroom. Right. That's the unit on the inside. We're going to go back downstairs and check it out. And that's the galley kitchen. Got your living and dining area. Again, looking out to the little back patio. kind of a cute little unit. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, sorry, 1.5 bath. 1,050 square feet, I think is what it says on tax record. Next, we're going to do a little tour of the outside grounds. Okay, so this is the outside of your unit. Just kind of take a slow panoramic. Got some carports, available parking. We're walking out towards the carport where the parking spot is for the property, which is right on the other side of that yellow pole in the distance where the RAV4 is parked. Let's go check out the common grounds. A little walking path to each of the other units. We're headed over towards the pool. So hopefully you found this to be helpful. We're giving it a shot for the shelter-in-place coronavirus COVID-19 2020 showing virtually. Down towards the end of that walking path and then to the left is where the community laundry is, but this is the big open greenery area. All right. And the pool in the background. The roofs, conditions, and then the units down there on the end. So that is one of the attributes of this property that is fairly unique in the complex in that it is an end unit. So you only have one shared wall. Anyway, hope you've appreciated this virtual tour and showing. Let me know if you have any questions. My name is Chris Curtis. I'm with Windermere Bay Area Properties. Best way to reach me is my cell phone, 925-408-8902. Have a great day.